Hey folks, this is Justin from the Leonidas Knives and Gear channel, and I have with me here a big package full of awesome from the wonderful folks over at Halfbreed Blades. This is directly from Australia, and I'm super stoked to crack this open. I believe it has two of their AXES in it, and so I really appreciate them getting these to me. I don't think there's a whole lot of good footage and reviews for these out on YouTube right now, so I'm super excited to be getting started on it this spring and summer of 2021. And my good friend Adrian over in the UK, he suggested, hey, let's do an unboxing and check my reaction to these, like I said, directly out of the box. I don't do that very often, so this should be fun. And so yeah, let's check them out and crack it open. I have the Halfbreed Blades large bush folder here to get open this awesome package. All right, slice and dice. Okay, let's put this guy away for now. Bubble wrap. All right, goodbye. Okay, we got one right here, packaged up, the first one. And we're just gonna set the paperwork to the side. So the first one I've got here, this is the, let's see, the CRA Model 1. I believe that stands for Compact Rescue Axe, the Model 1, and they sent it to me in the OD green, so I got the mean green, and man, the packaging, or the display box is just lovely, lovely, very well done. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Got some weight to it. Ooh, oh boy, that is nice. Let's go and show that in the packaging. Wow, got the tech lock down there and the axe and the sheath system. Wow, love that green color. Let's take a close-up on that. Got some weight to it. Man, beefy little monster. Got the pull the dot system, very nice. Let's see here, maybe from the back I pull. Let's see. Okay, from the front. Oh man. All right, step back here for a moment. Man, that is it's a big old chunk of steel for like a small size axe, tomahawk type. Gracious, that is thick. Let me show some of that thickness on camera. Get behind here and let's do a close up. Wow. That is wicked. That is a little monster. All right, I'm gonna put this back in the sheath. Let's see, looks like it goes in with the back end, the hammer first. Oh, and this is the hammered version, which I do really love the hammers they're doing. Set that bad boy to the side. Just wow, that is a little monster. Goodness, thick. Okay, more bubble wrap. All right, some paperwork. Get that out of the way. And okay, yeah, this is the big boy. All right, let's go ahead and get this box out of the way. All right. Oh man, this one. Oh man, okay. I guess I didn't realize this was the battle axe. I believe it's Compact Battle Axe, CBA Model 1. Okay, wow. I didn't even realize that. Oh man, that's exciting. I really like that the double bit axe. Oh man. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Yowza. Oh man. Whoa. Yeah, it's got the same thickness and feel as the Compact. Just wow, got the two blades. Oh, that is nice. All right, I'm gonna get this bad boy out of the sheath here. I'm gonna try to do that as safely as possible. Got two very sharp blades, I'm sure, on there. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, okay. Not as much pressure as I realized. Just kind of pops out. Wow. All right. Oh man. Yeah, I do not own anything double bit tomahawk axe, anything like that. So this is kind of new territory for me. Man, that's a little monster. Wow. Ooh, that color too. Man, I love their green color. It's like an OD Ranger green. Man, that is a beast. Woo. Two blades, double bit. Man, this is going to be awesome. So let me show these bad boys side to side real quickly. Okay. All right, and they both come out of the sheath fairly easily. So, wow, let's see here. Oh, man. Yeah, got a lot of sunlight coming down today out here. Look at these bad boys. Man, those are thick. Goodness gracious. Wow. All right, folks. Well, I've got a lot of other reviews coming up this year, but I'm definitely going to get these in the rotation as soon as possible and hoping just to have an awesome spring, summer. So again, massive thank you to the folks over at Halfbreed Blades. Yeah, this is going to be a ton of fun. So, wow. All right. So folks, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below so I can read that and respond. If you're not a subscriber, hey, please do, because as you can see here, got a lot of awesome stuff lined up later on this year. So thanks for your time.